What kind of personality do you have? So my good friend sent me this personality test which tells you what kind of personality do you have. अब मुझे नहीं पता सबसे बेकार personality इनके पास है कि नहीं, क्योंकि that's gonna be me. But let's first one. You regularly make new friends. Disagree. Like highly disagree. I don't make friends at all. मेरे अगर friend list गिनी जाए तो गिन के कोई 3 से 4 बंदे होंगे. You spend a lot of your free time exploring various random topics that pique your interest. हाँ, yeah. Seeing other people cry can easily make you feel like you want to cry too. इतना ज़्यादा नहीं कि want to cry too कि और हो रहा है यार मैं भी रहूँगा, इतना नहीं, लेकिन I definitely get irritated. So kinda just हाँ, a little bit. You often make a backup plan for a backup plan. I do. You usually stay calm even under water pressure. Yes, I do. I don't choke under pressure. At social events, you rarely try to introduce yourself to new people and mostly talk to the ones you already know. Yup. You are very sentimental. What is meant by sentimental? Can I know? Sentimental meaning. थोड़ी इंग्लिश हम अपनी थोड़ी बेहतर करना चाह रहे हैं, मतलब थोड़ा आप साथ रहे हमारे. Having feelings of tenderness, sadness or nostalgia typically exaggerated. What? हाँ, मतलब पास्ट में रहना, बीच का ही हूँ मैं, इतना कोई ज़्यादा भी नहीं. Even a small mistake can cause you to doubt your overall abilities and knowledge. Agree, sir, agree. You are not too interested in discussing various interpretations and analysis of creative. यार ये क्या इंग्लिश है? ज़रा हम थोड़ी सी अपनी और इंग्लिश थोड़ी दुरुस्त करना चाहेंगे, मतलब थोड़ा आप बस साथ रहें हम. The action of explaining the meaning of Daud Farooqi would know. Yes, you are more inclined to follow your head than your heart. Yes, you rarely worry about whether you make a good impression on people. Yes, respectfully, I don't care what people think of me. To be honest, you enjoy participating in group activities. अब ये depend करता है कि group किस तरह का है. मतलब अगर group मेरे आसपास के बंदों का है जिनका मैंने कहा कि 3 से 4 दोस्त, तो of course. नहीं, अगर generally group activity नहीं. Your happiness comes from helping others accomplish things than your own accomplishments. यार देखो अब डिपेंड करता है, ठीक है. Slightly agree. ठीक है, मैं कोई इतना नहीं हूँ कि ये क्यों अच्छा कर रहा है, बट अगर वो अच्छा कर रहा है तो अच्छा करेगा, बट I don't know. Can you just shut up? LA Night, okay, I get it. Yeah! You are prone to worrying that things will take a turn for the worse. Yup. You avoid leadership roles in group settings. No, I love captaining my side. Future vlog idea. You are definitely not an artistic type of person. यार अब ये चीज़ें भी artistic चीज़ों में ही आती हैं. I have made songs before. I make content, so I disagree with that. You think the world would be a better place if people relied more on rationality and less on their feeling. What the actual hell is rationality? You prefer to do your course before allowing yourself to relax. Yes. You tend to avoid drawing attention to yourself. Kinda agreed. You lose patience with people who are not as efficient as you. अब efficient जो है इसका मतलब मुझे पता है, okay, इतना नहीं है, but just to confirm, just for confirmation, okay? Giving maximum productivity with minimum wasted effort. Yes. You have always been fascinated by the question of what if anything happens after. बहुत ज़्यादा. You usually prefer to be around others rather than on your own. Disagree. I love myself. You become bored or lose interest when the discussion gets highly theoretical. What the hell is theoretical now? Yeah. Or involving the theory of a subject or area of study rather than its practical application based on or calculated. हाँ, जब ज़्यादा complicated. You find it easy to empathize with a person whose experiences are very different from yours. Empathize. Of course, मतलब अगर उसके आपसे different हैं तो आप अपनी हाँ. You rarely second guess the choices that you have made. Yeah. After a long and exhausting week, a lively social event is just what you need. No. You like to have a to-do list for each day. Yes. You rarely feel insecure. Yes. You avoid making phone calls. No. You are still bothered by mistakes that you made a long time ago. यार ये that is extremely agreed. You take great care not to make people look bad even when it's completely their fault. Slightly disagree. When someone thinks highly of you, you wonder how long it will take them to feel disappointed in you. You feel more drawn to places with busy, bustling atmospheres than quiet, intimate places. No, I like quiet places. No. Actually, no. Can I change my answer? Yeah, I would change that to kinda agreed. क्योंकि मुझे अभी अपना लाहौर versus इस्लामाबाद मतलब debate याद आई है. You are very intrigued by things labeled as controversial. Yes. You would pass along a good opportunity if you thought someone else needed it more. No. I would take my chances. You struggle with deadline. Yes, I do actually. सभी सालिक, I'm sorry. Okay. उनकी बहुत videos मैंने late करवाई हैं. You feel confident that things will work out for you. Yes, agree. Select your gender. Okay, we're about to get see results. Come on, I'm excited. Okay, logisticians are practical and fact-minded individuals whose reliability cannot be doubted. 62% introverted, 38 I am an introverted individuals tend to prefer fewer yet deep and meaningful social interactions and often feel drawn to calmer environments. Exactly. Observant individuals are pragmatic and down to earth बंदा है यार. They tend to have a strong focus on what is happening or very likely to happen. Thinking individuals focus on objectivity and rationality, often dismissing emotions in favor of logic. Judging individuals are decisive, through and highly organized. They value clarity, predictability and closure, preferring structure and planning to spontaneity. Turbulent individuals are self-conscious and sensitive to stress. Their emotions tend to be success-driven, perfectionist and eager to improve. And yeah, that's it. I am a logistician. So yeah, that was the video. That was fun. That was real fun. Thank you so much for watching the video. You guys can subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to try this personality test, I would link it down in the description. Although it's not sponsored, but of course this was fun. So you guys go check it out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah.